Hey guys, I am Pranav Shastri and in this video I am going to be showing you how to remove your exhaust fan from your old CPU. So you can see this is our old CPU and that is our exhaust fan inside the power box. The exhaust fan might not always be located inside the power box. So now we are going to remove our CPU's bonnet and you can see it's pretty dusty. It's a 15 years old computer, and then remove the screws holding the power box to the bonnet. And then carefully remove the power box from its position. After removing the power box, remove the screws holding it. And after that, open the outer covering, and you can see this is the inner part of our power box, and this is our DC exhaust fan. So you can see our exhaust fan is being held using screws, so we are going to remove those screws as well. But before that, we are going to pull out the wires which are of the fan which are connected to the circuit board. And after that, we are going to open the screws. And yes, so there you see we have got our fan out. You can make many things with this, like a vacuum cleaner, air blower, air conditioner, fan and much more. So thank you for watching my video guys, and please subscribe to our channel and also like this video.